Space is full of mysteries that sound completely fake, but they're actually true. From a planet where a day is longer than a year to a star so dense that a single spoonful weighs billions of tons. Here are 10 mind blowing space facts that will change how you see the universe. Let's start with Venus. One day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days because it rotates extremely slowly, but it takes only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. That means a day on Venus is actually longer than a year on Venus. Sounds impossible, but it's true. The Sun is far bigger than most people realize. In fact, around 1.3 million Earths could fit inside it. If Earth were the size of a small marble, the Sun would be as large as a giant house. That's how massive our star really is. Neutron stars are among the densest objects in the universe. Just 1 teaspoon of neutron star material could weigh billions of tons on Earth. That's heavier than entire mountains compressed into a tiny spoonful. Earth has red and orange sunsets, but Mars is different. Because of the dust in its atmosphere, sunsets on Mars can appear blue. Imagine standing on another planet and watching a blue sunset across the horizon. Jupiter is home to the Great Red Spot, a gigantic storm larger than Earth itself. The largest volcano in the entire solar system isn't on Earth. It's Olympus Mons on Mars. This giant volcano stands about 3 times taller than Mount Everest and stretches across an area larger than many countries. Scientists believe that some distant planets may contain enormous amounts of diamond-like material. Imagine an entire world filled with sparkling crystals and precious gems. Space can be stranger than science fiction. Near a black hole, time behaves differently. The stronger the gravity, the slower time moves. In theory, if you spend time near a black hole, you could return to find that many more years had passed on Earth. Movies often make space sound noisy, but in reality, space is completely silent. Since there is no air in space, sound waves have nothing to travel through. No explosions, no engines, no voices, just silence. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings, but here's something even stranger. Saturn's density is lower than water. This means that if there were an ocean large enough, Saturn would actually float instead of sink. Which fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you love amazing space facts, don't forget to subscribe for more videos.